All right, we're going to be learning how to save an object with multiple textures and multiple parts. So first, make sure you have your object in, textures applied. So first I'm going to start with the top of the chair. I'm going to name that top underscore capital B capital R. Top underscore capital B capital R. I'm just doing that. You can name it whatever you want to name it, but make sure that you have your underscore and capital B and capital R. So I have that in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and name the bottom part. I'm going to name this one legs underscore capital B capital R. Legs underscore capital B capital R. Okay, so I have my two textures in. Top underscore capital B capital R, all lowercase because it is case sensitive. Your legs underscore capital B capital R. All right, now that I have that in, I'm gonna start off with my legs here. I'm gonna go over into UV editing, and this is my texture for my legs here. You see here's my legs unwrapped right here. So to select this and make this turn orange, in case you're wondering, all I did was press the letter A and it selected everything for me. All right. So this is what you see over here is over in this area. All right. So now that I have this up here and I know this is the texture that I want, I'm going to go ahead and save this. So I'm going to go over to image, save as, and I'm going to name it what I named it over to the left side over here. That was legs underscore capital B capital R. Now I saved that. I got to make sure that my file format is a PNG and save it to the folder that I want to save it in. So I'm just going to save it to my desktop right now. So I'm going to push cancel because I already have it saved, but you can push save as image. All right. Now that I've done that, all you got to do is go back up to the top. Now I'm looking for my top. So I can come over here and let's see. That's my top right there, but I want to press my top. Go back in the edit mode right here. Press A, select it all. I have everything right here. That's my top right here that I'm looking at. That's all of this right here to see. So now I'm going to save this too. So I'm going to go to image, save as, and I'm going to save that top underscore BR. So it's going to be top underscore capital B capital R. Make sure that it's a PNG file. And then press save as image. So now that I have both of my textures saved, only thing I need to do now is save the object. So I'm gonna go back into layout mode and make sure I'm in object mode also. And I'm going to hit A to select everything, all. And as you see, everything is selected. So now I can go to File, Export, and FBX. Once I hit File, Export, FBX, I pick where I want to save it with the rest of the stuff, the rest of the textures. And then I'm going to go up to where it says Selected Objects over to the right hand side, close near the top. Because it's going to bring in all the objects that I've selected, but they will not be joined together. So then I press Export FBX. Now, once you get those three files, this texture saved, this texture saved, and then you get the whole thing saved as a FBX. When you go into Horizon Worlds, you go to import, import 3D objects, and then you go to the file, these 3 files, and then you select them all and import them.